Welcome to Army Public School and College PMA Resource Network. Before going to start this lesson of mathematics, don't forget to subscribe this page and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our upcoming videos. Dear students, this lesson is about rounding numbers and we will discuss here about how to round numbers to the nearest 10 and how to round numbers to the nearest 100. The objective of this lesson is to identify what is rounding off. To identify the rules of rounding off numbers, that is, at which digit we will round up the digit and at which digit we will round down the number. The third objective is to identify how to round the given numbers to nearest tens and hundreds using number line. That is, what is use of number line in rounding numbers or how we can use number line in rounding off numbers. This is our third objective. My dear students, first of all, we should know what is rounding. Rounding means making a number simpler but keeping its value close to what it was. That is, our result is close to given number but not the exact number. The result which we obtain is less accurate but that result is easier to use. Or we can say rounding number means adjusting the digit to make rough calculation easier. That is, rounding off number is used to make rough calculation easier. Whenever a question is asked about rounding, it means we are being asked about how many. Our approximate number will help us to solve the problems that are hard to solve. Rounding off numbers. There are a lot of different ways to round off numbers. We will discuss the most common way here, that is round up, round down. My dear students, a special symbol is used for rounding off number. This symbol is approximation symbol, which means approximately equals to. Here we will discuss what are rules for rounding off numbers. The general rules of rounding off numbers are: number 1, if the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, round the number up. For example, 38 will be rounded to 40. When we are asked about round 38 to nearest 10, as 8 is greater than 5, so our digit 3 will be changed to 4. Similarly, rule number 2 is if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, round the number down. For example, 33 will be rounded to nearest 10 is 30. How this is 30? As 3 is less than 5, so our digit 3 will remains the same. So it will be equals to 30. That is 33 will be rounded to 30 when we round it to nearest 10. For rounding of number, here is a poem which will make it easy to learn the steps of rounding of numbers. The poem is Find your place, look next door. 5 or more, you raise the score. 4 or less, you let it rest. Look to the right, there's 0 in sight. We will round you, round you. My dear students, here we will understand what is the meaning of the poem. The first is find your place. What does this mean? This means that when we have made the decision of rounding off, so which place we have to underline? Then look next door 5 or more. We have to look the digit that is next to our place. If 5 or more, you raise the score. If the digit at next door is greater than 5 or equals to 5, then we add 1 to the underlined digit. What is underlined digit? The underlined digit is at our place to which we have to round off. Next, 4 or less, you let it rest. If the digit at next door is 4 or less than 4, then we keep our underlined digit same. Look to the right, there's 0 in sight. What does this mean? This means that all the digits to the right of underlined digits will be replaced by zeros. We will round you, round you. Dear students, here we will learn how to round numbers to nearest 10. First, what is the meaning of rounding numbers to nearest 10? This means we have to find nearest 10 value of given number. You all people know that there are always two values of 10 for a digit. The one is lower value of 10 and the second is or another is higher value of 10. I am giving you an example. For example, if the number is 13, it lies between two numbers. That is, the lower value of 10 for 13 is 10 and the higher value of 10 for 13 is 20. My dear students, to round a number to nearest 10, we have to look at the digit in the ones place. Now, here is an example, that is round 23 to nearest tens. Here you will remember the poem, or according to the poem, find your place. It's mean that underline the digit in the given place. As example is 23 and we have to round to nearest 10. So we underline 2 in 23. Why 2? Because 2 is at 10's place. Now we have to circle the number 3. Why 3? Because 3 is right to the 2. As you can see, 3 is less than 5. So, the digit in the given place or the digit which we have underlined, that is 2, it will remains the same. That is 2 will remain the same. There will be no change in 2. And 3 will be replaced by 0. Because there is only one digit, that is 3 to the right of 2. So here we will put 0. And 23 will be rounded to nearest 10 is 20. Here comes another example, and we will solve this example using a number line. The question is round 36 to nearest 10. First of all, we will draw a number line for 36. 36 lies between 30 and 40. 30 is lower value of 10 and 40 is higher value of 10. As you can see, 36 is close to 40 rather than 30. So the answer which we will get will be 40. That is, when we round 36 to nearest 10, it will be equals to 40. 36 rounded off to nearest 10 equals to 40. My dear students, we have learned two methods of rounding of numbers to nearest 10. The first method is according to poem, and the second method which we learn is by use of number line. Here we will learn how to round numbers to nearest 100. For this, first of all, we should know what is rounding numbers to nearest 100. It's mean that finding which 100 they are nearest to. Every digit has two value of 100. The first is lower value of 100 and the second is higher value of 100. I am giving you an example here. For example, if you are being asked that what are the two values of 100 for the number 171? Can you tell me? Yes, there are two values for 171. The one value is 100 and the second value is 200. That is, higher value of 100 is 200 and lower value of 100 is 100 for the number 171. Students, for rounding of number to nearest 100, we always have to look up at the digit in the tens place. For example, round 236 to nearest 100. Now what we will do according to the poem? The poem says that first of all, underline the digit in the given place. Now, which will be place? Here, that will be 100 place. So, we will underline the digit 2 here. In next step, we will circle the number to the right of underline digit. So, we will circle the digit 3. As you can see, 3 is less than 5. So, in step 3, the digit at 100 place remains the same. And in Step 4. We will replace all the digits to the right of underlined digit will be replaced by zeros. That is 236 will be equals to 200. Our required answer is 236 rounded to the nearest hundred is 200. Here we will learn how to round numbers to nearest hundred by using a number line. The example is round 27,493 to nearest hundred. For this, we will draw a number line between 27,400 and 27,500. Here you can see 27,493 is close to 27,500 rather than 27,400. So our answer will be 27,500. So when we round number 27,493 to nearest hundred, our answer will be 27,500. My dear students, the point to remember here is that when we round this number, that is 27,493 to nearest hundred, the digits which are left to our required digit will remain the same, that are 27 here. 4 is our required digit that has to be rounded off. So the digit which are left to 4, that are 27, they will remain the same. Here is your assignment. You have to practice pages 13 to 18 of textbook, pages 11 to 14 of practice workbook. You have to do your assignment on squared loose sheets or on rough notebook. After completing the assignment, use the given link to submit your assignment. The link is student.apms.pk.